Best drone for travel. Number 1. DJI Mini 2 Fly Drone for Travel. We are starting this list off strong with the DJI Mini 2 Fly More combo. It is one of the best travels drones out there because it is lightweight and easy to pack, making it ideal for travel. This travel drone can fit conveniently into the palm of your hand, making the small drone your ideal travel companion. The Mini 2 also supports up to 10 kilometers of video transmission and boasts amazing anti-interference capabilities, so you can fly your drone further and see much more. The max battery life of this travel drone is around 31 minutes, but that allows for more than enough time to achieve your perfect shot. The Mini 2 can also resist level 5 winds and takes off at a max altitude of around 4,000 meters. The drone footage will appear clear and stable, even if you fly in high winds and along a coastline. The 4x digital zoom feature makes achieving your dream shot much safer and more convenient while transitioning between varying distances and composition. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 2. Parrot Drone for Travel. First of all, this is a drone with a 180 degrees camera angle, so just imagine how good it is. If you are a nature lover, this drone is definitely for you. The quality of the videos you can capture with this drone is 4K Full HD. This drone not only captures panoramic views but also shows you thermal pictures of the places you visit. The thermal feature is a good attribute, along with its 2 high-precision cameras. The drone allows for compact and high performance due to its foldable, ultra-compact, and lightweight design. It weighs less than a pound, making it the ideal travel companion. The drone will always remain within reach of the operator and can unfold and become operational in just around 3 seconds. It has a 26-minute flight time and a Wi-Fi connection of up to 2.5 miles. When done with its flight mode, the drone will automatically return to its original takeoff point. It has a wind resistance of up to 31 miles per hour, so you can worry less and enjoy flying your drone more. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 3. DJI Drone for Travel. This DJI Mavic Air quadcopter allows you to take horizontal, vertical, and 180 degrees panoramic shots. It is also capable of stitching together 25 photos in just 8 seconds, so you can successfully create a crystal clear 32.0 MP sphere panorama. The DJI Mavic has a lightweight, compact, and foldable design, so it can be taken with you anywhere. It also features a 3-axis gimbal that can stabilize the camera even in high-speed motion, allowing for smoother video and sharper images. This DJI drone can be controlled from up to 6,562 feet away, and the Mavic Air Intelligent Flight lithium batteries allow for up to 21 minutes of flight time on each charge. The travel drone's remote control features a foldable, low-profile, and ergonomic design. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 4. Gool RC Drone for Travel. The SG906 Pro 2 GPS drone is definitely a contender when it comes to finding the best travel drone. This drone features a 3-axis stabilized gimbal, 28 minutes of flight time, an Ultra HD 4K aerial camera, GPS return home function, dual camera, GPS positioning, optical flow positioning, and so much more. We have yet to get into the real specs of the camera drone that make it one of the best for travel photography. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 5. Hubsan Drone for Travel. The Hubsan brushless quadcopter guarantees up to 20 minutes of flight time and comes with a 2,300 mAh Li-Po battery. The 1080p HD camera allows you to capture stunning images and crystal clear video. This travel drone also features 4 brushless motors and convenient modes and functions, including a follow me mode, headless mode, 1 key return function, and auto home return function. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Like, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.